Hi again, everybody, and welcome to the podcast, Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Of course, you might be watching via the YouTube channel. Either way, we always appreciate it. And a big shout out to those of you who are monthly contributors to the program as well. Your support is very much accepted with grace and honor. I truly, truly do mean that. Hey, I want to talk for just a couple of minutes about social media. Oh, I know. Social media, the evils of social media, that is. We all know about it. We all hear about it. We're always fighting it. But I tell you what, for all the evils that are out there that we can bring up around social media, there's also some good as well. And that's the point of this particular program, to share with you what I see as some of the benefits of social media. I'm going to give you an example. Of course, right now, if you're watching this video, you're using social media. If you listen to the podcast, you're using social media. Now, I do a lot of posting on Facebook, Instagram, things like that, of photos, things I'm doing, thoughts I'm having, you name it, it's on there. And I'm going to share with you something, though, a little story about my beautiful bride, Pam. When Facebook first came out, she thought this was the greatest thing since sliced bread. And throughout our life, so long as there was a Facebook, she loved it. In fact, I would, though, often kid her. I'd go, is there any breaking news on the Facebook? Oh my gosh, are you looking at Facebook again? Oh gee, why are you posting those pictures on Facebook? Why are you telling this and that story on Facebook? Well, I want to tell you, friends, I am so glad she didn't listen to me and kept posting. She kept posting right up into that last year of her life here on this earth. And now you know what I have is a legacy. Pam's legacy, and all those memories, all those photos, all those videos, they're there. She's in heaven now, but I am able now to look back and look at all the good times we had. Look at the vacations we had, the visits we had with relatives, the things we did with our kids. It's all available there to me now, because after she passed and went to heaven, I was then named the legacy or some type of ownership on her page or whatever it is. And I'm so thankful for those memories that I do have. And so, of course, now, I'm out and about and I'm doing the same doggone thing that she was always doing. And I'm posting all these things about what I did today, what I did yesterday, showing you photos of me going to ball games and hiking. And yeah, I know a lot of it, you look at social media and you go, well, it only shows the good things in life. Well, I'm going to tell you now, I love looking back at all the good things that happened in our life. Yeah, it's true. We have our memories in our heart. We have our memories in our head. But just seeing them, seeing those pictures that she took, seeing the pictures of us together in those photographs, and then reading the words that she wrote, it's like a living legacy that I'm able to look back on. And then every now and then I run across those little, what I call them solid gold hits, where it's Pam's voice, where she's talking. And sometimes they make me laugh. She had a great sense of humor. Like I ran across some videos where she's watching me shovel snow in Bend, Oregon. And there's a video of her shoveling snow in Bend, Oregon. And that stuff is just fantastic. So again, for all the evils that we may think that social media has, there really are some benefits to it as well. And I guess what I'm saying is that while I do a lot of these postings and such in hopes of maybe I'm going to help you, maybe it's going to help me. If it does, that's great. But the bottom line is, though, it's creating memories. Memories that even after I'm gone and I get to finally go to heaven and be with Pam, my kids, our friends, our relatives, they can look back. And I hope they'll look back and they'll smile. And they'll go, wow, Pam and Jack really did have great lives. They really did. And I realize we're looking through a narrow lens at life when we're just looking at social media. And again, mostly it's just the good stuff. Sometimes there's bad stuff on there too. But I like to look at the good. And I like to feel good. And when I'm having a down day, sometimes I'll just go to Pam's Facebook page. And I'll pick a year, a random year. I may go back to, say, 2012. Click on that year. And I'll scroll through. And I'll go, oh yeah, I forgot about us doing that. Oh yeah, I remember doing that. And then I also say, I remember all the time complaining to her. Really? Do you have to take that many pictures? Do you have to post about everything we do? Well, Pam, thank you so much for doing that. And thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. Hey, make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now from this beautiful trail that I'm on. Did I even mention that at the top? I'm along the Moreland Trail near Phoenix, Arizona in the South Mountain area. Bye now.